If you are learning Python for AI, stop. Like seriously, stop for a second, because every beginner makes the same mistakes, and it's the reason they get stuck, burn out, or quit before building anything real. No one warned me about this, so I'm warning you. Hey everyone, Miracle here. I'm learning AI from scratch. I'm building my own AI model publicly, one phase at a time, and today, I'm going to save you months of stress. Alright, here is the truth. Python is the easiest part of AI, but beginners treat Python like it's the final boss. They spend months memorizing syntax, building calculators, scraping tutorials, and grabbing 50-hour course. Then they try to build something real. Boom! Why is the dataset not loading? Why does this model collapse? What even is a tensor? And why is my accuracy 4%? It's not your fault. You are following a roadmap upside down. If you want to use Python for AI, here's what actually matters, and in this order. You've got to learn tokenization, vectorization, embeddings, similarities, training pipelines, because Python is just a tool. Knowledge is the engine, and this is the core NLP/ML concept. After you learned all this, you need to build tiny AI projects early. For my case, I built a root word originator using stemming and lemmatization. Then, I moved to building a removal recommendation system using TF-IDF. Those projects taught me way more than any 50-hour courses could. Then, you have to understand how AI thinks. Models don't understand text, they understand numbers, vectors, and patterns. The sooner you get this, the easier AI becomes. When I finished the first module in my NLP course, I finally understood why people quit. It's not because AI is hard, it's because they start at the wrong door. It's how it's supposed to be. Python, concepts, projects, and models, instead of Python, 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 and burnouts. And once I got TF-IDF, embeddings, tokenization locked in, everything clicked. Suddenly, I could actually build stuff, and it's addictive for real. So here is what I recommend if you are learning Python for AI. Learn enough Python to be dangerous, variables, loops, lists, functions, and then move on and don't get stuck. Learn foundational NLP and ML basics, tokenization, stemming, TF-IDF, embeddings, similarity metrics, and vectors. Build real projects. For example, you could build root word originator, you could build a removal recommendation system, you could also build word analogy generator. So I would advise you to learn as you build, not the other way around. I'm documenting everything on this channel, every phase, every project, every win, and every disaster. If you want to learn AI with me, not just watch from the side, hit subscribe and let's go build something wild together.